that's right, Vedika, as you have rightly mentioned that this is the aftermath of what has happened in Bangladesh with Dipu Chandra Das. We'll also try to show you the visuals if I'll request my camera person to pan around and show you the visuals of how more and more protesters are right now being detained. All of those protesters who are managing to jump from the second layer of barricading that the Delhi police had once again erected after it was broken. Now we are showing you the visuals of how they are showing the placards from inside the bus and are asking for justice about what has happened in Bangladesh. We are showing you the visuals of many people who have been detained inside, and the Delhi police who's right now also trying to detain more people as they are managing to jump from the barricading and reach here at the protest site where this bus has been stationed. We can clearly see from the expressions that they are quite angry and are asking for justice, and are in fact also asking for the government to opt from some diplomatic way so that these kind of violence that is happening in Bangladesh can be stopped. We are showing you the visuals of all the angry protesters who are being detained here as we are speaking. So all the protesters who are right now here are trying to in fact break the second layer of barricading and in fact march towards the Bangladesh High Commission. I'll request my camera person to show you the visuals of the second layer of barricading that the Delhi police have once again put in place so that more protesters cannot be able to come here. The Delhi police female officials can be seen here. The female police personnel can be seen here who are manning this area so that this security layer cannot be breached by the protesters. This is a very high security zone, barely 700 meters away from the Bangladesh High Commission. Now several embassies are situated in this particular area, so security remains of the topmost priority for the police, and that is why they are stopping the protesters from doing this protest further. Request my camera person to show you the visuals of how more protesters are right now waiting on the other side of the barricading and we're also showing the visuals of how the first batch of people who are detained are now being taken back by the Delhi police so that they can be scattered from here and be in fact not be able to reach on the very spot where the protest has in fact taken place. The first batch of people who have been detained have been taken away from here by the Delhi police, while the second batch of people who are right now inside the second layer of barricading who are trying to once again break the barricading can be seen. They are so having a conversation with the Delhi police about it, and we are seeing the scuffle that has in fact taken place here between the Delhi police personnel and the protesters who are right now we can see who are still protesting here, quite angry protesters. The anger that is spilling onto the streets of India, not just in Delhi but also in Kolkata. We saw similar protest happening. The VHP Karamcharis, the Bajrang Dal Karyakartas, all of them have joined hands and are asking for justice for the incident that has took place in Bangladesh. They are saying that such kind of incidents should be condemned and the Bangladesh government should pay more attention towards safeguarding the rights and the lives of the Hindu minorities over there. And we are seeing that the protesters have said that if something similar happens once again, they will be protesting with equal gusto that they have in fact protested today, and this protest is not over till justice is served. Over to you.
All right, so there Anushka reporting from outside the Bangladesh High Commission in Delhi, where you can see massive protests. And as Anushka said, it's not just in Delhi. In fact, protests are taking place in Jammu, in Hyderabad, in West Bengal as well, over the lynching of the Hindu youth, Dipu Das, in Bangladesh. There's been a lot of anger, and today these are Hindu organizations like the Bajrang Dal and the VHP that have carried out this organized protest in various parts of the country. Let's go across to Techri as well, who joins us from outside the Dhaka mission there in Delhi. And Techri, what's happening there around you? You know, barricades have been broken. Those protesters are determined to enter the High Commission.
Well, absolutely. One layer of the barricade was broken, second was broken, and now the bus that was stationed over here, that bus has been taken now. There were protesters in that particular bus who have been detained, but you see the manner in which now the security is being increased. Seems like any point of time from now, the other protesters also, more than 200 to 500 protesters seems like have gathered over here. And if I can zoom and show you the third layer of barricading as well, which has been done over here at that point, at that side also as well. When you come from that particular area, there's heavy security deployment of CRPF, of Delhi police, and along with that, the female cops are also present here, because we see that the female protesters have also come come over here to show their solidarity with the family of Deepu Chandra Das. And now we'll start moving here. A chain has been formed, viewers, over here. On my right hand side, you can see that the chain that's been formed by the cops over here, so that now the barricade should not be broken. And the senior police officials are also on ground to monitor the situation minute to minute, so as to what kind of protest at any point of protest, the protesters will be breaking the barricades, and perhaps that is why now these chains have been formed. First layer of chain has been formed, and beyond that there are protesters standing beyond that particular barricade. You can see tirangas, you can see the placards, posters, and this entire, I should say, that underpass, where this underpass is going on, till that entire area, you can see all over here, all the entire area is occupied by the protesters as well. And in fact, we just saw that how, the few of the individuals were detained because they broke the second layer of the barricading, and they were taken by the police in that particular bus. And now, in fact, this entire area has also been cordoned off. Nobody is allowed to enter from that area to here. The senior cops are also present on the ground, and now we'll also be speaking to some of the he is differently able, specially able, but still he was a part of this particular protest. However, he wanted to show the support for the manner and
All right, so as you can see, Techi, they're reporting from outside the High Commission in Delhi, where protests are taking place. And as she said, the first barricades, the first sort of line of barricades was broken. And then the second, a group of protesters have also been taken away by the police. So these are protests taking place in different parts of the country. We're bringing you visuals from Delhi, but they're also taking place in Kolkata and Bengaluru and Hyderabad as well. And in Jammu, police have also charged the protesters, and in fact Bangladesh is very concerned about these protests. The Indian envoy in Bangladesh has also been summoned over concerns of security at the Dhaka mission. So there have been a series of protests, as we've been telling you, across the country over the death of a Hindu in Bangladesh, Deepu Chandra Das, who was lynched to death. It was an alleged blasphemy case. No direct evidence emerged that Deepu Chandra Das had made any sort of remarks hurting anyone's religious sentiments. Later, there was also some sort of a story about resentment against him at the factory where he worked in. But this has caused a lot of anger in India. The very gruesome manner in which Deepu Chandra Das was killed in Bangladesh, and protests taking place in different parts of the country. These are organized by Hindu organizations, the Vishwa Hindu Parishad, the Bajrang Dal. There are protests, as we said, in Kolkata, in Bengaluru as well, in Delhi and in Jammu. Very angry. Some of the protesters we've been speaking to have spoken about how they want to go inside the High Commission. Let's just listen into what was said by the protesters to our reporters.
और बाकी सारी यहाँ जितने लोग पहुँचे हुए हैं वो सभी कड़े शब्दों में उसकी निंदा करते हैं। ये नहीं होना चाहिए कि इंसान को जिंदा जलाना, ये तो इस दुनिया में सबसे बड़ा अत्याचार है जो हिंदुओं में हो रहा है। और हम ही सभी हिंदुओं को जो
महिलाएं यहाँ पर इस वक्त इकट्ठी हुई हैं, महिलाओं में भी ये सेंटिमेंट है कि वहाँ पे जो महिलाओं के साथ हो रहा है वो भी बेहद गलत है।
बहुत गलत है, बहुत गलत हो रहा है, ये सब गलत है, बहुत ज्यादा।
ये गलत होना ही नहीं चाहिए,
बहुत गलत हो रहा है। हमको सजा मिलनी चाहिए, इसलिए कि हम इसके अत्याचार के खिलाफ हैं। और भारत में अगर हम नहीं बोलेंगे तो कौन कहाँ बोलेगा।
संदेश हम ये देना चाहते हैं, जिस भारत को हमने सन 1971 में आजादी दिलाया वही बांग्लादेश, जिस बांग्लादेश को हमने सन 1971 में आजादी दिलाया वही बांग्लादेश आज हमारे हिंदुओं के ऊपर अत्याचार कर रहा है।
We know one thing that in Bangladesh minority communities they are in a deep danger, and we urge the Indian government that Indian government should intervene here, and they must ensure the safety and security of the minorities in Bangladesh.
You will also be a Deepu, you will also be a Deepu, and you will also be a Deepu, ma'am, if you do not take an action today, because this is a repeated thing which is happening in history. They wanted a Sharia law, but the demands will not be fulfilled from here. It has to go on the international agencies. Jihadi Yousafzai got a Nobel Peace Prize because his only military and police handed over Deepu to the jihadi mindset, radical Islamists there. So he is involved in it.
So that was, some of the voices protesting outside the Dhaka mission there in Delhi. But as we said, these protests are taking place in different parts in the country, as well as Bhopal, in Bengaluru and Kolkata. But let's go across to Techri, who joins us from Delhi and where the protests have taken place. And Techri, already one busload of protesters has been removed. Bangladesh is also watching these visuals with concern. The Indian envoy there has been summoned. But tell us what is happening there right now.
Absolutely. Let me give you a quick recap so as to what had happened over here since the time when these protests began here within the closest vicinity of the Bangladesh High Commission from where we are reporting right now. Number one, let us show the visuals beyond this barricading. These are the protesters of the Vishwa Hindu Parishad, of the Bajrang Dal and several other Hindu organizations who have gathered over here showing their anger against what has happened against Deepu Chandra Das. And here you can see that one level of barricading was already broken. They were protesting, holding placards, sloganeering, and then the second layer of barricading was broken. You can see there are also some individuals who are also having a conversation with the cops. There was an argument, a verbal confrontation with the cops and the protesters, and then they jumped the barricades and then they were detained in that particular bus. Post that, now what? The recent development is this entire two-layer chain has been formed. First is the women CRPF officer that you can see on your television screens right now. A chain has been formed, and then on my back you can see that these are the senior cops who are present over here on the ground to monitor the situation, because at any point of time now the second layer of barricading could also be broken. Why they are protesting? They are protesting for justice. They are protesting so that Deepu Chandra Das could get justice. His family is in grief. His family is completely traumatized. Not just one Hindu but entire minority community over there in Bangladesh say that now they do not know that what could happen with them at any point of time. Let us also speak to the individuals who are standing over here on the other side of barricade and what they have to say on this entire matter.
वही बांग्लादेश के लोग हमारे हिंदू भाइयों को वहां से मार मार के निकाल रहे हैं। हम कैसे सहन करेंगे? हमारी बहन बेटियों के साथ जो अत्याचार हो रहे हैं, घरों पे लूटमार हो रही है, मंदिरों को तोड़ा जा रहा है। ऐसे लोगों
एक बैरिकेड तोड़ दिया गया, कई सारे प्रोटेस्टर्स को बस में ले गए। क्या अब आप रुकेंगे?
हम जब तक हमारे अधिकारी जिन्होंने आह्वान किया है, हम तब तक रुकेंगे, चाहे यहाँ गोली चल जाए, चाहे यहाँ कुछ भी हो जाए। हम अपने अधिकारियों का कहना मान करके यहाँ रुके हुए
डटे रहेंगे।
जी,
तो देखिए यहाँ पर दे आर सेइंग दैट नो मैटर व्हाट दे विल कीप ऑन स्टैंडिंग ओवर हियर। आप यहाँ पर आई हैं मैम, कहाँ से आई हैं आप?
हम तो शालीमार बाग से आए हैं, दिल्ली से ही हैं।
क्या कहना चाहेंगे? एक महिला है।
They're speaking to some of the protesters, but let's go across to NDTV's Anushka, who's actually inside a bus where those protesters have been taken. Anushka, one busload has already been removed. Over to you.
That's right, Gargi. This is the second bus that has been stationed by the Delhi police, and in this bus they will be detaining more people who will try to break the double layer barricading that the Delhi police have stationed just outside the barricading that was broken just now. The Delhi police had erected that barricading so that the protesters can be contained, and because this is a high security area, barely 700 meters from here, the Bangladesh High Commission is situated. That is why we are seeing that the security measures are being taken by the Delhi police. We have also seen this is not the last layer of barricading that has been kept in place. After this bus, there is once again another layer of barricading. I'll request my camera person to come here and pan the camera and show you the visuals. Also, the second layer of barricading that can be seen here. The people, we can clearly see the hundreds of Delhi police officials who have been stationed just outside this barricading levels, so that if the protesters and the protest goes out of hand, they can once again detain all the people who will be protesting from here. We are showing you the 360-degree coverage of the protest that is right now happening in Delhi. This is not the only protest that has in fact happened because of the Bangladesh protest. This is the anger that has spilled onto the streets, not just in Delhi but in Hyderabad, in Kolkata. Similar protest was seen because of the incident that took place with Deepu Das. We saw the family members saying that it was not his fault and it did not happen because of blasphemy, rather than a work-related scuffle that took place between him and the other people. He was first lynched and then his body was set on fire, after which we are seeing that all the Hindu organizations like VHP, like Bajrang Dal, all of them have joined hands and are right now protesting as we are speaking. Now it has been almost more than an hour since the protest is going on, and the protesters are saying that they will not be taking a break till they ensure that justice is not served. The kind of security measures you can see here, the first barricading, the double layer barricading, after that we can see the Delhi police officials, and then third human chain of the female police officials who are right now standing just outside the place where the protest is in fact going on. The protesters are saying that they will not stop till justice is served and till the minorities of Bangladesh is not safeguarded. Over to you.